New York City is one of the biggest real estate markets in the world, with billions of dollars invested every year. But the best opportunities are often hidden from the average investor. Today, I'm going to show you an investment deal that might surprise you. Make sure to watch until the end, because one key detail could completely change the way you look at real estate investing. What if you had $800,000 to invest today? Would you leave it sitting in a bank account? Would you put it into the stock market? Or would you buy an asset that could generate income month after month, while also increasing in value over time? Today, we're going to explore a real estate investment opportunity that many investors consider one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth: a farmhouse investment in New York. Imagine standing on a beautiful property in New York State. You look around and see wide open land, green fields, fresh air, and a peaceful environment away from the noise and stress of the city. At the center of that property sits a beautiful farmhouse. Now, most people see a farmhouse as a place to live or spend weekends. But smart investors often see something completely different. They see an asset. They see a source of income. And they see an opportunity to build wealth over time. Let's say you find a farmhouse with a good amount of land for around $800,000. At first glance, that may sound expensive, but experienced investors don't focus only on the purchase price. Instead, they ask a different question. How much money can this property generate in the future? Let's break it down. Suppose you purchase this farmhouse and decide to rent it out. Today, many families, travelers, and vacationers are looking for peaceful places away from crowded cities. People want open spaces, fresh air, and relaxing weekend getaways. That's exactly why farmhouses have become increasingly popular. You could rent the property as a vacation rental. You could offer weekend stays. You could even lease it to long-term tenants. Let's assume the property generates an average rental income of $4,500 per month. That means every month, your investment is producing income. Over an entire year, that rental income adds up to approximately $54,000. That's a significant amount of cash flow from a single property. Of course, every investment comes with expenses. You'll need to pay property taxes. You'll need insurance. The property will require maintenance. There may be landscaping costs, repairs, upgrades, and general upkeep throughout the year. Let's estimate those expenses at around $18,000 annually. After subtracting expenses from your rental income, you're left with approximately $36,000 per year in net income. Think about that for a moment. Your property is generating around $36,000 every year after expenses. But here's where things get even more interesting. The most successful real estate investors don't focus only on cash flow. They also focus on appreciation. Appreciation simply means the property increases in value over time. Imagine that the area continues to grow. New roads are built. Local businesses expand. More people move into the region. Demand for rural properties and farmhouses continues to increase. As demand rises, property values often rise as well. Let's say your $800,000 property appreciates by just 5% in a year. That would increase the value of your property by approximately $40,000. Now let's combine both benefits. Rental income after expenses, approximately $36,000. Property appreciation, approximately $40,000. Total potential gain, approximately $76,000 in a single year. That's why many investors love real estate. They're earning income while simultaneously building equity and increasing their net worth. And remember, your property can continue working for you, whether you're at home, traveling, spending time with family, or even sleeping. That's one of the biggest advantages of owning income-producing real estate. Your money is working for you. But the opportunities don't stop there. Many investors find additional ways to generate revenue from a farmhouse property. Some transform their properties into wedding venues. Others host private events and corporate retreats. Some offer seasonal farm experiences. Others lease portions of the land for agricultural use. Some create luxury vacation experiences that attract high-paying guests. A single property can potentially generate income from multiple sources. That's why many experienced investors don't view a farmhouse as just a home. They view it as a business opportunity. However, every investment carries risk. Real estate markets can rise and fall. Unexpected repairs can occur. Vacancies may happen. Economic conditions can change. That's why successful investors always do their research before making a purchase. They study the market. They analyze the location. They understand the risks. And most importantly, they think long term. Because wealth is rarely built overnight. It's built through smart decisions made consistently over time. Now, here's the question. If you had $800,000 available today, would you leave it sitting in a bank account? Or would you invest in a farmhouse that could potentially generate rental income and grow in value year after year? Let me know what you would do. And if you enjoy learning about real estate investing, farmland opportunities, and strategies for building wealth, be sure to subscribe for more content.